call it anything. You can see okra, blended okra there. You can also see the sliced up there and other things around the place we are cooking. So and now we are trying to parboil or boil, not even parboil. Are trying to boil the stock we are using to cook. You guys know how I cook here now. I cook with meat. Today I'm using beef meat. I'm using beef meat. I'm using 1,000 kilo. Is it 1,000 kilo of beef meat? I'm also using two big dried fish. I'm using 4 mackerel fish. But I'm going to list all the ingredients I use in this soup in the description below. Whenever we finish, just feel free to check all the ingredients. I've already made okra soup before. You can also check it. Check how we prepare it and let me know what you think. If you are joining for the first time, Chikwado Space is a lifestyle channel. I do a lot of things. I do lifestyle, everything within me, Chikwado Space. I cook, I do family, I do product review. I I do everything around me, everything about Chikwado Space. I do it. I show my lifestyle here, guys. This is my space. Yes, this is my space. Feel free if you want to see what we do, how we cook. Mostly I cook intercontinental dishes here, mostly African dishes. I do it in a beautiful way. If you want to learn how to cook African soups, food, different types, name it, you come to my channel, you go learn it. Learn it because I do my video step by step. I don't rush to do video because when you are learning something, some people rush. When people rush to teach you, you may not understand, may not know where they start or where they finish. So because of that, I take my time to teach step by step how I cook, how I do everything. But whenever you're watching my video, if you did not understand anything, feel free to ask question. Question is allowed. Ask question. If you have any suggestion, just do it. And if you have any video you want us to make or any dish you want us to make, just feel free to let us know about it. We are gonna do it. We are gonna do it very well for you. We're gonna do it and you're gonna. So we do a lot of things. Do a lot of things. Feel free all the time to contact us if you have anything you want to learn. So thank you for watching. As our soup is cooking, our stock is cooking. Let's go and check. It's like network is disturbing today again. What is happening? I don't like network disturbing my life. I don't like it at all. I don't like it at all at all. I'll be having a good network immediately I start live stream. Network starts, and that is too bad. This is too bad, YouTube. This is too bad. I know if it's not from my side. It is not from my side, YouTube. Let me check what is going on. Let me check. Let me check. I don't know. Network. If you can hear me, let me